Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to Investopia. We're on Friday, recap Friday here. Super excited. You're here with the baby boomer. That's right, the baby boomer trader. That's me, Dr. Kelsey. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our page and even send the link out to masses of people. Help us build up our page here. We're giving out some great information for people who are in this space, whether it's in the crypto space, whether it's in the foreign exchange market, equities. We're doing it all here, helping people create those multiple streams of income. Can make a lot of income. Now, make sure you read our disclaimer in the description below. Past profits doesn't reflect future results. This is all for educational purposes. But we're having a lot of fun building up our YouTube page. Make sure if you're not in our Telegram, you're trying to get in our Telegram, send me an email at my wealth building email in the description below as well. So let's go ahead and get right on into the recap. We're ready to go. We're going to go ahead and share my page. You guys let me know if you can see my page. All right. Let's go take a look at Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin has been doing. Let's see what Bitcoin has been doing. I know you guys, a lot of you have took some of the trades that we took in the wealth building chat. You can see Bitcoin did top out at the 88.6% level where there's a lot of resistance looking left. You can see we're on the 4 hour here. We do have some wicks on the 4 hour. We have I think that says a daily wick up here, and we've got that double top right here. So right now, if you did take some profits, if you didn't take profits, be good time to take some profits. Right now, as you can see, we called this straight right up out of this triangle pattern. All right. And Bitcoin went, let's see, Bitcoin, at well over 10%, close to 10% gains on that move if you rode it all the way up to the top. So that was an amazing ride. So what I think Bitcoin is going to do right now is going to go ahead and probably build some liquidity in this area. Even if it did give us half back, if it gave us half back, that would be a nice setup, because some are saying it's going to hit 50. Some are saying it's going to hit 50. We'll go ahead and move this line down right here. So right now it's retesting on top of this 46,836 area. All right. And we see that we need to get a nice little pullback. We're in the supply area right now. So it would be very healthy for Bitcoin to get a nice return back to the zone here throughout the weekend, and then maybe take another push back up and break that 49 and get to that 50K mark. But it's a lot of resistance. If I go on the daily, you can see right in this area right here, strong resistance here. If I turn on the VRVP, okay, strong resistance where it is right now. So you want to be careful. You don't want to be buying way up at the top. And if I go to the weekly, Okay, you can see that one big nasty weekly candle wick that came all the way down. Let's kind of move this out of the way. And now we're like testing this area. If we get a weekly close, above, we've got 2 days for this candle to get above and close, then we could probably see this go to the 50K mark, or even challenge some of these other highs over here. That would be around 52. Okay, so I want you guys over the weekend, we could be getting a potential call. Okay, we could be getting a potential call back in this zone if we get a healthy pullback. If we get a healthy pullback to this zone right here, that's going to make a nice run to try to break up. But if we get a close above here, starting in within 2 days, I'll be looking for a trade up above 47,004 to at least our first TP would be 4,900, which would be a nice close to 25, 20, about 2,200 pips. Okay, so that would be like really maybe a TP and a half for us. All right, so going back to the daily, this is where we are. If we get a pullback, then as long as it stays above in this zone, we can look for a potential move up. If not, we'll be looking for a weekly close above this line and go up here. So anywhere in this zone here, we can see Bitcoin. And then I really truly believe that a massive, at least 20% retracement back to the 31. That would be really nice to see. So you want to be careful. You want to be, what would I be doing right now? Right now, I would be, if I've doubled my money, I would be taking out my investment, maybe staking that, maybe buy you a little something too, but staking that and waiting for that pullback, waiting for price to come back and test maybe that 38 or 31 area and be really healthy for that. And then pour in that money into Bitcoin. Now, let's go ahead and look at Ethereum. Ethereum took off as well. Really nice from 2,200, and it's still climbing. So if you're in Ethereum looks very good. All right. Right now it's breaking the 61, and as well with that as well, you want to you want that close. Okay, you want that close above 2481. Okay, you want that close above there, because I can see it's breaking. It's like not a head and shoulders no more. Okay, you had the head here, you had the shoulder here. Well, we're not getting that. So we're in a nice strong buy on the daily. On the 4-hour, price stays above that 2481. Okay, and closes. We get a new candle open up. We can see this go all the way up. Let's go ahead and we can see it go all the way up to about 26, even 2,700. All right, so we'll make a zone. We'll create a zone right here. All right, and that's the zone we're going to be looking for Ethereum to go. So if you're still in Ethereum, great, move up your stops. You can take some partial profits out. And then let's see over the weekend if this candle stays above 24.81. And then maybe on a lower time frame, you can scale in and get you another position. Okay, get you another position on a lower time frame. We got a little bit more to go into supply area here for Ethereum. Now, if you guys want to trade with me, I'm on multiple brokers as well. I having some amazing success. Let's go to you can trade right here in 1CM. All right, so you can go to number one capitals. It's a regulated global forex and CFD broker. You can trade with me. Description. The link is in the description below. They're giving away a $2,500. They're giving away a $2,500 bonus as well. So it's amazing. Having a great time with it as well. No kinks, no issues, no problems. And you can trade with me, and you can get in our Telegram, take those signals right there with me, trading with me with that particular broker. Now, also, I'm trading on CoinW, for all crypto, all CoinW. Okay.com. So you guys can go over there and check it out. It's a new broker here in the United States. It's not full KYC, so that's good. You don't have to kind of really go all in detail. There's my boy Da Vinci David. I'm actually on his referral link. Super excited about what's taking place with him, exploding all over Dubai and all over, literally globally here. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in and let you see what I've been doing here with our, let's see, use this email, right, and we'll use this. That's not it. We'll go ahead and log in now. They got verification. Those look like camels. All right, then they have Google. Let's see. You gotta make sure I have the right password. ELSIEINTL at Gmail. I'll let you guys see what is that. Okay, zipper maybe. And then we got our code. Mm, 3966. And we're in. So I'm going to show you some trades. They got a lot of bonuses, a lot of rewards you can get. They're giving out airdrops. Man, you can make a lot of money doing airdrops with projects. And that's where I'm going. I'm going into now making looking at projects before they get off, before anybody know about it. And you get millions of dollars worth of airdrops. Once these projects take off, if they end up being good projects, you can make a lot of money. You can buy crypto, you can trade futures, you can spot trade. So let's go to our futures. I've been trading futures. And then I just kind of give you an overview of so let's see where kind of give you an overall view of our trades. Well, that was a winning trade there, but I want to show you, I'm still learning this particular platform too. So there we go. So this trade right here, that was 7.44% we took on this trade here. And then this trade right here, we took, that was 4.6%. Trying it out, and I know a couple of people did about 70 to 80% gains on there with 20x leverage. This one here was 4.40% as well. So we are winning on CoinW as well. So looking at Bitcoin on CoinW, you can see now it's coming through our moving averages here, and we've got that nice little, this happened here at 9:30, that nice little push down, and now we've got a cross on the MACD. So we could have took a sell there on the lower time frame, but really we're just going to kind of wait and look and see if this is going to be a pullback. For another entry, another long position. So this is real simple. I'm learning it. 20x leverage over here. You can go as high as 200 leverage, X leverage, guys. So, but you got to be careful, be risky, make sure you got enough USDT in there. All right. So that's CoinW. Okay. So you got number one capital markets, you got CoinW. And then with our academy, okay, our Envision You Academy, we've got 3 brokers you can plug into with this amazing app, proprietary app. No one has it. If you're trading forex, I'll do a little, maybe coming up this week, maybe I'll do just a segment with someone talking about how well our education has brought them to where they are now, because I truly believe in education. I believe in being trained and taught, in these markets. And then using a platform, finding a coach where you can be mentored to take you where you want to go. So we've got an amazing educational platform that can trade, to help you trade in the spot market, equities, commodities. We've got the whole 9 yards, but they'll teach you from a novice to being intermediate and advanced. And you're going to hear a lot more about that. And we're going to have to do a lot more podcasts. We've got podcasts coming up with women traders. That's right. First woman trader. We confirmed it yesterday. Her name is Rosa Allison out of New Orleans by way of the Bronx. Super, super, super mom, wife. Got some amazing kids. And she trades. That's right. She trades. So be looking out for that podcast coming up. Share the link. Subscribe, guys. Turn the notification bell on. We're going to get We're speaking it. We're going to get big. We're going to help people find their way in these markets, because this is where everything is going. This is where it's going. You want to make sure you accumulate as much of Bitcoin as you can. Now, why? Because, history tells it all. History tells it all. Right now, we're in the first quarter, and what? We're up 11.64%. Now, this is not, a fad. When you look at, when you track Bitcoin monthly returns over the past years, you can see that February has always been a great month. February has always been a great month. Okay, compared to January, compared to March, February, we're in this month right now, and we are rocking throughout the years. You can see that we've got more green than red, and right now, for the month, we're up 10.95% here on Bitcoin returns. Now, what does that mean? A lot of people pouring money into the market. All right, right now we got fear and greed index, and moved up from a couple of days ago from like 60 to 72. So this is why you want to watch it. You want to give you a quick, tidbit here. When you see the greed index go further to the right, that's when it's time to start taking profits. You sell the greed and you buy the fear. Okay, so right now we're at 73. You can see the crypto fear and greed index right now is plotting it out. And I think we're all getting ready for what we know is coming, the halving. The halving is coming. And I hope we get that dip way before. I don't want it to be up there when it's crossing the halving. That means it's going to drop and then come around. I would love to see it drop before we get to May, and then set us up to all get Bitcoin on a nice drop. So here we are. This was the 9th of February, and we can see that greed is coming in. And that also means the money's coming in. New money from the ETFs is coming in. And I believe that's why we are closer to the halving, because of what happened with all the ETFs. Now they're looking at Ethereum. I believe it may not happen right away, because you can stake on Ethereum, unlike Bitcoin. So you just gotta wait and see what happens with that. But all this new money is driving so many more people into the market. So many different, people are investing in different things, different projects, more altcoins. Here's the altcoin bubble. It's what, 90, 95%, 96% green here. We're looking at some of the main coins out there. Bitcoin's up 3.5. Chainlink is almost back to zero. Chainlink's week was last. Shine was last week. BNB is up 1.1. What else we've got? We've got XLM still up 1%. Audi is up 1%. VeChain is up. Who else is up? Crow is up 2.8. Doge is up 0.5. Hex is up 2.4. Ethereum 1.4%. All right. Casta is up 3%. I'm looking into that. I like that coin. You can get it on Bybit. I'm looking to see if you can get it on some of the other exchanges that people in the United States can get into. Sand is up. Sandbox is up 1.9. Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Nobody's talking about that, but I'm waiting for the dip. That's another nugget. Let's take a look at Ethereum Classic and Litecoin before we get off this session, okay? And Bitcoin Cash. So you got Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin. Okay, I want you to remember those. Okay, I want you to remember those. We had some good forex news here for the Canadian dollar. It was good. It was good. That's why DXY probably dropped. Let's go ahead and take a look at this really quick. Let's look at the DXY, US dollar currency index. So we did get our drop. When that Canadian dollar news came out, we got that drop right here. I was looking to see this come a little bit more higher. Okay, if you're trading anything with the US dollar, like you got Bitcoin going against the US dollar. So Bitcoin is the base pair and US dollar is the quote pair. So the value, Bitcoin is going against the value of what the dollar is at that time. And so right now you can see I have it's been a nice little bullish pattern, right? And we're looking for it to come all the way down, hit our trend line, and then come on back up. And I don't want to go too far out into the future, but this is what I'm seeing. So as long as this dollar may be dropping, it could correlate with Bitcoin still going up as well. So to hit some of those almost all-time highs where it is right now. We also trade some of our indexes like NAS 100. We take a look at NAS 100. We called a trade. It is still going up in our Telegram. That's right. We were 3 for 3, 3 for 3 yesterday, not counting Bitcoin. And we called this trade right here. As you can see, we're amazing. It's amazing where it is right now. If you took this trade, you would be up. This NAS trade, you would be up right now well over 14,000 pips, 147 points. And we were only looking for two take profit areas. But those who are position traders in our Telegram could be still holding this. And this was a call that was called by myself in the Telegram. Description is in below. Our email if you want to get in that Telegram. So yeah, this is probably going to go ahead and close out strong. And then we traded S&P SPX 500. All right, and yeah, and we called a buy on SPX 500 as well. Beautiful trade, smacked our TP. And we may still have people in our Telegram still holding this right now. Stops are up, okay, and profit percentages are profitable. So we trade that as well. We trade USD JPY, we trade Euro USD, and you can all trade with us in our Telegram as well. Let's go ahead and finish the call out. We're looking at some of altcoins that nobody's talking about that I'm looking to get in. I'm looking to get some good spots before the halving with these particular coins. One is we said Ethereum Classic. Okay, Ethereum Classic. It's been in the move. I don't know if any of you guys got any Ethereum Classic, but look at it. Let's go to the daily. Okay, you can see that the good time would have had to get some when it was at $18. That would have been a great time to get it. We had it mapped out. It's in a nice upward pattern right now. Let's take a look at this on the weekly. I know we had people buying really low. So we had people buying as low as $14, $18, you can see. All right, in our Telegram, you'll get those notifications on what we're looking at. And so we've got people holding this as well, but there's going to be another position coming because we can see it's almost at our, our line here, $27. It wicked up here on the weekly, and then the next weekly candle closed, and now we're coming back up to test that area. So what would be a good place to get another entry? But would have been a good place to get it now. I would dollar cost average. Dollar cost average. I would dollar cost average. I could even get some right now, but not as much as what I can get when we get a nice pullback again. Okay. And let's see if we go this way. So that is our 61. So if we get a nice pullback, 61, and come back down to about $21, $20, I would get me some Ethereum Classic. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but that's something what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be buying, matter of fact, I'm going to buy some Ethereum Classic. I'll probably wait to buy here at 20. So just note that we're going to buy at 20. All right. So this is what we're looking. And I tell you, throughout the halving, we could probably see this go all the way past $50. We could take your money on the double and take your investment out on the double, invest in some more Bitcoin, build your portfolio. So this is what I see for Ethereum Classic, Litecoin. Same with Litecoin. We bought way down here at 41. Let's go to the weekly. Right there at 41. If we was to see this come back again to 41, it's in the demand zone. Right now, this line here, we can get rid of this. All right, and you can see we've been as buying low as 25. So right now, it looks like we are getting some type of rising wedge. So could be setting up for this move to come back down. Okay. So I'll be looking to get anywhere in this area below $51, $41 dollar cost average Litecoin. It may push up a little bit and then come on down when Bitcoin comes down. All right. So looking for that to come down to about 41. Then I said Bitcoin Cash, right? What is that? BCH. Bitcoin Cash. CH. There we go. This is something I'm really excited about. This is the time to get it now when it's all in the red. $250 right now, all-time high. Well, we took partial profits way down. We've been buying way down here at about 99 here. Then we had this big explosion in 23. Okay, came up to 300. And now we're floating around 250. And we've been consolidating in this area here. And kind of a semi-triangle pattern right here. So it's going to break out as it continues. It looks like it's really setting up for a bullish move. As price coming down into the demand zone, we're going to get a breakout. So I will be looking to keep my eye on this. And I would say to start buying now shares of Bitcoin Cash. Because if it breaks this resistance area, it's gone. Okay, so you want to buy it at its lowest point. All right, everybody. So that's it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button, and share the link with your family and friends as we get ready to some amazing things that are going to happen this year and going into 2025. Super excited for all of the things that are happening here with our group. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you tell people about what's going on here with old Baby Boomer Trader here, and trade with me here in one of the largest liquid financial markets in the world and crypto world, the crypto world, what's happening. $3 trillion market right now here. We're going to sign off. Take care. See you guys next week.